Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So as most of you might know, iOS 16 is now available worldwide to most iOS devices. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to update to iOS 16 and some tips before installing. So the first tip I have is to ensure that you have iOS 15.7 updated or installed in your device, as you could go ahead and install the iOS 16 before, but I would highly suggest installing iOS 15.7 before upgrading to iOS 16. So the second tip that I have is that you want to ensure that you have at least 5 gigs of storage, as the iOS 16 update is 2.88 gigs, and you want to ensure that you have 50 to 75% on your battery. So once you have those, you would then need to go to software update, which you can find in settings, and you'd simply need to go ahead and tap on the download for iOS 16. So once you click on download and install, you would need to then enter your PIN, and once you've entered your PIN, you would then need to tap on download and install once more, and you would be met with some terms and conditions, and you'd simply need to tap on agree. Now once you've agreed to those terms and conditions, your update would be requested, and once the request is complete, you would then need to wait until the update is downloaded and installed on your device. And that's pretty much how you'd go about updating to iOS 16. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.